Step 1. Find the right parking spot. Step 2. Align the rear bumper of your car to the rear bumper of the front car. Make sure your car is parallel 2 feet from the side of the parked car. Step 3. Turn your wheels all the way to the right and back up until you can see the back car's license plate. Step 4. Straighten steering wheel and back up until the front of your car passes the rear bumper of the first car. Step 5. Tum your wheel all the way to the left and roll backwards until you are behind the car. Step 6. Straighten the wheel and center the car.